Welcome to the first episode of Ready, Steady Shuk with Ta'am. We're here in conjunction with HUK. I'm Romy Kosher. I hope you're excited. Welcome to our contestants. We are here for our first challenge. It's the middle of Pesach. We're all over matzah. And the real challenge, I want you to make me the best vegetarian dish. I'm talking one main, one side, in 1 hour. You have 10 minutes to get your baskets, go to the shuk, choose all your ingredients, and write down your recipes. Are you ready? Are you steady? Shuk! Talk me through it. What do you think?
So I'm thinking nothing better than a stir fry. So I'm going to do a cauli rice base because I'm fed up of potatoes.
I feel like I'll just do one.
So leaning towards the main, thinking sort of shakshuka.
I'm going to be making you a shawarma celeriac steak.
Ooh!
I'm going to go Mediterranean, but also because I'm not a cheese person and I don't like matzah, so yeah.
Let's do this.
Contestants, your time starts now.
Did you just take a bite of raw aubergine?
You gotta check your ingredients. Also, raw aubergine's quite nice.
Is it?
You're crazy.
Probably.
All the texture.
Everyone told me it was going to be quick.
Can you smell that? Like, it's got like an earthiness
got like a
to
celery
it, right?
smell.
Yeah, it is. It's the root of the celery. Celeriac. That's, yeah. It is the root of the
I
celery.
do know about food, guys, I promise.
Of course, got the lucky spoon.
He's got two.
Of course.
Trusty wooden spoon.
They were a 100 subscriber present for myself.
Aww. Do you need help?
Yes, please. You can't help.
I'm nervous too.
Break time. Try not to get overheated when I'm doing this.
See the carrot in there? That actually absorbs all the burnt bits so that your food doesn't get all those gross burnt bits around the fried food.
This is the part of the challenge where you don't know if you're gonna overcome it, but we'll get there in the end.
You're starting with onion, you can't really go that wrong.
They say if you don't know what to cook, you should fry an onion, and then
It
it'll all
just
come
gives
to
you
you.
inspo.
Yeah.
Guys, if you could smell this room right now. Just getting a facial. All right, guys, you have 3 minutes to go. If it's not on the plate, it doesn't count and I cannot judge it.
Is there any salt anywhere?
I'm worried. I'm really worried. I'm not sure they're going to get it done in time. People are still scrambling and we only have 10 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put everything down. Finish your cooks. Well done, everybody.
So here we have a lovely shakshuka with a bit of feta, aubergine, obviously eggs, tomatoes. And then next to it, in the same sort of vein, we have a quinoa salad with fresh cherry tomatoes, basil, a bit of lime juice, a bit of pizzazz.
Yum.
So let's get your view.
I'm so excited.
Do that.
Oh.
Ooh.
So we've got run on this
Oh, you've
side.
got some on that side.
Okay. I want a bit more feta on there. Very good. The shakshuka could have a little bit more depth of flavor. Now for salad. You know that scene from The Simpsons? You don't make friends with salad. This is my kind of salad because it's not actually all vegetables.
Quite a lot of cheese in there.
That is really nice and fresh next to the richness of the shakshuka. Just what you wanted.
Let's go. Thank you.
Delicious. Great tomatoes. Well done, Raffles.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, we've got stuffed aubergine. So this comes with fried onion, garlic, tomato, and pepper. And then I've added some pepper and tomato on top, and it's been roasting for half an hour. Personally, I would have loved to roast it for more, so hopefully it tastes good enough.
Well, let's taste. Let's first see if this eggplant is cooked. Great flavor. The eggplant is still a bit chewy, but actually I don't hate it.
Okay.
Gives it good texture. But no, solid vegetarian healthy dish.
Yeah. Thanks.
Well done. Dan, talk me through your dish.
So we have a celeriac steak with some spinach, mushrooms, garlic, and then we have some mozzarella dippers.
I don't expect to get a steak at a vegetarian meal. Oh, very soft to begin with. I feel like it's maybe a bit mushy. The flavor is really good. I'm most excited about these. Bit of a cheese pull, and it's just. I feel like they need a little bit more something, the mozzarella bite. Fried mozzarella balls. The concept is there, just needs a bit of finessing. Sophia, what is the dish?
So we've got a cauliflower, a cauli rice vegetable stir-fry base with carrots, pepper, courgette, spinach, onion, garlic, tomato, everything in there.
Everything in the kitchen sink.
Yeah, seasoned with like everything. Got a bit of turmeric in there because it gives it a lovely yellow colour and it's great health benefits.
All right, let's give it a taste. I'm really excited about this. I love cauliflower rice. But as I was saying before, it's hard to get right with the flavors. Let's see. The flavors are good, but the stir fry, unfortunately, I think it was cooking for too long. It's a bit mushy. Really good idea for a Pesach dish. Okay.
I had the crunch.
Again, really tasty, but obviously just needed to cook for a little bit longer. It's still just a bit, not quite the crunch we wanted, but it's fried, it's potatoes, can't really go wrong. All right, it was a tough competition, but of course there can only be one winner. And the winner today was the man with the spoon, Raffles with the shakshuka.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
This is your prize.
Thank you so much.
Some bartenura and of course some matzah. This has been Ready, Steady, Shuk with Ta'am. Keep an eye on their website where all the recipes will be put up. We are ta'am.com. I'm Romy Kosher. We'll see you next time.